Have you ever wondered which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we are comparing Openrouter and LiteLM. Both tools help you create text using artificial intelligence. They can generate stories, answer questions, and assist with writing tasks. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Openrouter. This tool is known for its flexibility. It allows you to connect different AI models easily. You can customize your experience based on what you need. Openrouter is great for developers who want to experiment and build unique applications. Now, let's look at LiteLM. This tool focuses on simplicity. It's user friendly and perfect for those who want quick results without a lot of fuss. LiteLM is designed for everyday users, making it easy to generate text without needing technical skills. So, what are the main differences? OpenRouter offers more customization options, while LiteLM is all about ease of use. If you want to dive deep into AI and tweak settings, OpenRouter is your best bet. But if you just want to get things done quickly, LiteLM is the way to go. In terms of features, OpenRouter has a wider range of models to choose from. You can switch between them based on your project. On the other hand, LittleM provides a straightforward interface, making it easy to generate text in just a few clicks. When it comes to pricing, OpenRouter may have different plans based on usage. LittleM usually has a simple subscription model, making it easy to understand cost. In conclusion, if you're a developer or someone who loves customizing tools, choose OpenRouter. But if you want something simple and quick, LiteLM is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.